Hey guys, Angela here. Remember me? I know it's been quite some time since I've been in front of a camera. Oh gosh, there's so much I could tell you guys, but we'll go over that in another video. I'm back. Happy New Year. It is 2022 and so far this year has been, yeah, so to bring in the new year, I wanted to show you guys a fun little recipe hack that I've learned recently. I don't know who the original creator of this hack is. If you know, please comment down below. But basically, we're gonna be making something really delicious. It's a classic Filipino pulatan. Pulatan, which is like a bar snack. Basically, we're gonna be making sisig, specifically pork belly sisig, specifically using Trader Joe's pre-packaged pork belly. And I've seen these in Trader Joe's and I was kind of like walk past it because I'm like, what am I gonna use that for? And then I saw on TikTok a guy cutting all of this up and making sisig out of it. I was like, that's freaking genius. So today guys, we're gonna be making pork belly sisig using Trader Joe's pork belly. Let's get it, let's go. Let's make some sisig, shall we? And I'm not really used to filming anymore. It's been a couple months, so bear with me. All right, sisig is very, very simple. Of course, we're gonna be using the pork belly. We're gonna be using jalapenos. Got a handful of already peeled garlic, a lemon. I like the taste of a shallot. And my little fun little secret little tidbit that makes my sisig really delicious. Japanese mayonnaise. I know it sounds a little weird. I'll show you guys how to integrate this. And of course, we're going to adorn it with a fried egg. Open. Is that like a thing of fat? It is? Is this a thing of fat? Oh, well, we're gonna be using that. Just take that pork belly. Come on. Wow, it has a lot of fat. Let's go ahead and cut this. Wow, wow, look at that marbling. Wow, there's just a lot of fat. It's just pretty much all fat. I'm not liking the fact that this is starting to look like just a bunch of fat, but humor me, I guess. Our pork belly. We're just gonna let it just sit and brown. Look how much this ended up rendering down. I had to drain a lot of fat, but this is kind of what we're left with. Okay, now we're gonna add our shallots, our jalapeno. Now you don't want to use all of it. You want to save some for garnish. So we're just gonna mix that around, just like that. Oh my God, it already looks like sisig. You kind of want to cook this out. I'm actually going to go ahead and add some pepper. Add all of our garlic. And it looks like more garlic than we have pork belly. So that's fine. Just in. At this point, you don't have to, but I'm going to add some mayonnaise. Kind of make it nice and creamy. And make it into like a sauce with the lemon juice, just like that. And then we're gonna be extra. So we're gonna kind of create like a border like this. Yes. Of course I got a little bit of shell in there. Okay, we're almost about done. We just want to cook the egg. We're gonna take some of our leftover shallots, because now that shallots are cooked out, we want that fresh element. So you're gonna sprinkle some fresh shallots on top. Look at that. Yes. That. And some fresh jalapenos for an extra kick. Alright guys, this is Sisig. Ooh. You know, and mix it around like that. You just get a spoonful, wow. Let me tell you.
Was that like some chain smoker trying to get out of my body? What kind of demonic chain smoker was that?
Let me tell you. The pork belly is stupid fatty. Like, you saw how much fat and how much that pork belly rendered out. It was so fatty, but then you get like the acidity from the lemon, the spiciness and the sharpness from the jalapeno and the shallot, and then the mayo just really adds a creamy element with the egg. If I had like a cold glass of beer right now, it would be freaking perfect. This is the perfect palutan for this evening. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you like Trader Joe's or Sisig like me, or just me. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and I promise I am back. There is no hiatus anymore. So stay tuned for some more delicious videos.